Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturalhub, where we dive into the essentials of nutrition and wellness. Today we're exploring a crucial nutrient that's vital for your health, vitamin B3, also known as niacin. Stay tuned as we uncover its benefits, the foods rich in it, and the recommended daily dosage. Let's get started. Vitamin B3 is one of the 8 B vitamins that are key for a healthy body. It plays a significant role in converting the food we eat into energy and is vital for the health of our skin, nerves, and digestive system. Incorporating enough vitamin B3 in your diet has several health benefits. First, it helps improve cholesterol levels, significantly reducing bad cholesterol. It's also critical for brain function, influencing everything from mood regulation to memory. Additionally, niacin helps with skin health, providing a natural defense against sun damage and aging. And for those with diabetes, vitamin B3 can improve blood sugar control, making it a powerhouse for preventive health. Now, where can you find this amazing nutrient? Rich sources of vitamin B3 include chicken breast, turkey, and beef, especially liver. For vegetarians, worry not. You can turn to peanuts, mushrooms, and green peas. Seafood lovers can rejoice as salmon and tuna are excellent sources too. And for a quick snack, why not grab some avocados or whole grains? These foods not only boost your niacin intake, but are delicious as well. How much vitamin B3 do you need? Well, it varies. Adults typically require about 16 milligrams for men and 14 milligrams for women per day. Pregnant or breastfeeding women might need more, so it's important to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. Incorporating vitamin B3 into your diet is a step towards better health and well-being. Try out recipes that leverage these niacin-rich foods and notice the benefits yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon for more nutritious insights. Share your favorite niacin-rich recipes in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.